The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ford County, Iroquois County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ashcombe to 6 miles northwest of Rantoul, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watsika, Paxton, Gilman, Milford, Onarga, Sheldon, Cessna Park, Ashcombe, Buckley, Stockland, Crescent City, Danforth, Loda, Woodland, Donovan, Wellington, Iroquois, Clarence, and Claytonville.